Hey Thad, I spoke with Ann earlier, and my name is Lee Turbienik, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee. Please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave to you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. First thing I want to go over is content. Now it all has to be unique content and it can't be copied from anywhere. Google will flag your site for plagiarism. Guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, and scrolling here on your home page, I could see you guys probably have maybe 100 to 150 words. You got to think Google is a crawling site, so all it can do is read. So if you don't have a lot of information, content on your homepage, it's not going to really know what your website's about. Therefore, it can't rank you accordingly. So I did a quick search for plumber, Lexington, NC, and the first guy in the top spot was this Friedel Plumbing. So I wanted to see what kind of content they have. So as we scroll down, you can see they don't really have much content either. Maybe 100, 150 words too. So you go out and get 150 or 1,500 words on your homepage and you'll easily beat them in that aspect. Now I'm going to break down Google for you. Google's broke down into 3 sections. This top section here is Google Ads. Now people pay to be up here and it's cost per click and it can get very expensive if you don't run them right. And if you're ranking in the top spots in this GMB section and organic section, you don't need to run ads and this can just become a money pit. But the second thing I wanted to talk about was this GMB, and this is the Google My Business section. Now a citation is what ranks you in this section. The more citations, the better. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, BBB, YouTube's even one of them. But the more you have, the better, like I said, but they're not created equal. I what I did was I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. And I put the top guy, which is Acme Plumbing and Heating, in here to see how many citations he has. He has 33, which is very beatable. Best part about this tool is we can click on his citations and all these red ones are submittable. So we can go and submit all these for your business and get these citation sources. Now, like I said, they aren't created equal. So this is the domain authority. That's how much power is being transferred. 96, 93, 90s, gets lower. And you can run into spammy ones. So even though it might say he has 33, it's showing me that he only has about 15 or 18 that are transferring power. So like I said, go and get all these, submit them for your business. And I like to go and get 100 to 200 more, swamp out the competition. And also, it'll get your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So that's a citation. Now the third thing I want to talk about is this organic section. Now this has to deal directly with your website. So as we can see, we got FriedelPlumbing.com. He's number 1, and you guys are down here. I can already see that you didn't have much SEO work done because of your meta tags up here. You have Pro Plumbing, Air, and Electric. You should have some major keywords right here, which we'll get into. Like this guy has Plumbing Lexington NC. That's what somebody would type in when they're looking for you, or plumbers in Lexington NC. So you have Pro Plumbing, Air, and Electric. That's not doing anything for your ranking purposes. But the best part about this is I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and I can put your website in here, and this will show me a basic overview of your whole site, and I put your competition in there. Now this UR and DR is a rough estimate, and this will show me the overall strength of your website and the overall strength of your backlinks. So you guys have 385 backlinks coming from 56 referring domains. Now the powerful backlinks that you want, just like a citation, they're not created equal. You want these do follow backlinks, and it's showing me that you have 25 of them. So as we go over here to your competition, they have a 16 and a 0.1. It looks like they're not as bad, but their referring domains are stronger. They have 49. And like I said, backlinks are what ranks you. A backlink is any other website that links back to your website. Google counts them as votes, and I'm sure you've seen a backlink before. It's like blue text. Sometimes it's a hyperlink in somebody else's web page throughout their text. You click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, that's that website basically vouching for your website, saying, yes, I vouch for him, he's legit, and I don't mind sending my traffic there. So the more of those, the better. Google loves backlinks, and that's what dictates your ranking. So I wanted to touch base on some keywords in here. Oh, and as far as the backlinks, sorry, I want to go back a second. We could go into his referring domains, just like the citations, and go after all those powerful do follow backlinks and submit for your business. So as you can see, we go link type, do follow. This shows me all the powerful ones that transfer power. A no follow link transfers no power. Do follows do. So we can go in and get all these for your business and apply for them. And we know it's working for him to rank, so it'll work for you. But you guys need a little bit more work to your whole website to be SEO optimized, and we can get you up in them rankings quick, pulling in a lot of business. But this, going into the keywords, is going to show how much search volume that is around your area. So we want to see, we got plumbers in Lexington, NC, 150 searches a month with a KD of 0. So this is a monthly search volume, and this is how hard it is to rank for this keyword difficulty. 0 being the easiest, 100 the hardest. So a 0, that tells me there's not many people trying to rank for this. So that's 150 jobs. That's 150 people typing in plumbers in Lexington, NC each and every month, and it's a 0. So that means no one's really trying to rank for that. So if you were to add backlinks to your website, get some power to it, and gain authority, you'll rank for these keywords and you'll start pulling a lot of this business. But look, plumbers in Lexington, NC, 150. Let's see, plumbers in Lexington, 205. It's 200 searches, 200 people ranked plumbers in Lexington each and every month, 5. Plumbers Lexington, 80 and 0. Plumbers Lexington, Lexington plumber, 211. Plumbing Lexington, 821. So a little bit harder to rank for, but in time you can. Let's see, plumber Lexington, 60 and 9. Plumbers in Clemens, NC, 60 and 1. Lexington plumbers, 80 and 13. So there's a lot of search volume in those areas, and I don't know what other areas you service, but that's what I would do in a more in-depth research if you wanted to find out a lot more and get a real raw script of, you know, what we could go after and how to go about it. But let's touch base on what we talked about. The first thing I talked about was content. Your front page needs 1,500 words to be optimized with Google, so you could fit those keywords we were just going throughout it. You can put one keyword per every 100 to 150 words, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. The second thing we talked about was citations. Citations, your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I'd like to go out and get 200 to 300, beat these guys out by a landslide, plus get your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. And the third thing we talked about was the link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can call me at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.